Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirah ni Izzati binti Jefry. My matric ID 2021132493. In this video, I will explain my application, which is laptop inventory system using queue and stack that can store, calculate sum and average, find min and max, copy from queue to stack, and convert in-feed expression to post-feed expression. This is my application for laptop inventory application. There are 8 classes in this application. We have laptop, main laptop, stack, list node, empty list exception, linked list, queue, and infeeds to postfeed. Now, I will extend laptop class first. So this is a laptop class. In the laptop class, I have declared 5 attributes for the laptop, which is laptop code, laptop model, laptop brand, laptop quantity, and laptop price. Also, there are a few methods that I use in this class. The first method is default constructor. Second method is normal constructor. Normal constructor will receive the value from the main method through the parameter and initialize the data of an object user key in. The third method is SSM method. In the SSM method, we use get method that will read the value that's stored in the object variable and it will return the value. Fourth method is mutator method. In the mutator method, we use a set method. It does not return any value because void is using in this method. And the last method is toString method. It will display object value. Next, we go to the linked list class. In this linked list class, I have declared 3 attributes. First one is list node, last node, and current. And also, I have used a few methods. Public linked list is a normal constructor. Public boolean is empty to check whether the linked list is empty or not. Public void insert front to add the new data at the front of the linked list. Public void insert back to add the new data at the back of the linked list. Public int size to return the number of elements in the linked list. Public object remove from front to remove the first element in the linked list. Public object remove from back to remove the last element in the linked list. Public object get first to return the first element in the linked list. Public object get next to return the next element in the linked list. Public object get last to return the last element in the linked list, and the last one is public string print to print the data. Next, I will explain the list node. In the list node class, we have an object and list node, and also we have a few methods. The first method is default constructor, public list node. Second method is normal constructor. For normal constructor, we have a 2. The first one is public list node, and we have one parameter object data. Second normal constructor is public list node, and we have a 2 parameter object data and list node next. Next method is object get object to get the data. List node get next to get the next data. Public void set data to set data. Public void set next to set the reference to the first net node. And the last one is public string to print the data. Next, we go to empty list exception class. For empty list exception is actually for exception handler. This is a queue class. Queue is inherited from the linked list, and we have a few methods in this class. First method is public queue. Second method is public void in queue to add item into the queue. Third method is public object dequeue to remove item from queue. Fourth, public object get front and it will return the get first. Fifth, public object get end and it will return the object. Sixth method, public boolean is empty, and the last one, public string print. Next, stack. Stack is same as the queue. Stack is inherited from the linked list and have a few methods in this class. Public stack, public void push, add item into stack, public object pop to remove item from the queue, public object pick, and it will return the get first. Public boolean is empty, and the last one, public string print. This is the infit to postfit class. In this infit to postfit class, we have a class tag 1. Class tag 1 is stack expression for the infit to postfit. In the step 1, I have declared char stack array equal to new char, and I have set 100 for array, and I have declared int top equal to -1. There are a few methods in this step 1. The first method is public void push. Second method, public char pop for specified for char. Third method is public boolean is empty to check either stack is empty or not. And the last method is public char pick specified for char. Next, we go to infit to postfit. In infit to postfit, I have create step 1 operator equal to new step 1 and public static string to postfit. This is a part where infit expression will convert to postfit. I have declared char symbol, string postfit, and I use a for loop while there is an input to be read. And symbol equals to infit.char add I. If it is operand, it will add into the string. If character is letters, bracket symbol, it will display postfit equal to postfit plus symbol. L, if symbol equals to parenthesis, it will push, and it will display operators push bracket symbol. L, if symbol equal to parenthesis back, it will push everything back to the parenthesis. Y, operators dot pick not equal to parenthesis, it will display postfit equal to postfit plus operator dot pop, and it will remove operators dot pop. Else, to print operator occurring before it that have greater precedence, while operator is not empty and operator dot p is not equals to parenthesis, and precedence bracket symbol less than equal precedent operator dot p, it will display postfit equal to postfit plus operators dot pop, and the operator will push into the symbol. And while operator is not empty, postfit equal to postfit plus operators dot pop, and it will return postfit. This is a main laptop. In this main laptop class, I have create scanner for user to key in the data, and also I have create queue, and the name of queue is LP1. And also I have declared a few attributes: string, laptop code, laptop model, laptop brand, int, laptop quantity, size, and double laptop price. This code is where user need to enter code in the beginning of the applications. Char proceeds equal to y, y proceed equal to y. In the beginning of this application, the application will ask the user to enter the code to be performed, and once the operation is done, the application will ask the user, do you want to continue? If yes, it will loop. If no, it will exit. If code equal to once, the application will ask the user to enter number of laptop that user wants to add, and I use a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than size. Size is based on the number of laptop that user wants to add, I plus plus. Application will ask user to enter laptop details such as laptop code, laptop model, laptop brand, laptop quantity, and laptop price. Then laptop detail will add into the queue using enqueue method. Once the operation is done, the application will ask the user, do you want to continue? Yes. Next, if code equals to 2, it will display laptop summary. In the code 2, I have declared queue temp equal to new queue, and also I have declared object by using variable L. Also, I have declared double sum equal to 0, average equal to 0.0, int sum quantity equal to 0, and decimal format df equal to new decimal format 0.0. Sum will be counted by the laptop to get laptop price, multiply with laptop to get laptop quantity, and the sum quantity will be counted by get laptop quantity, and then all the data in LP1 will be stored in queuetemp by using enqueue laptop 2. Sum quantity equal to sum quantity, average equal to sum divided by sum quantity. Then to store in LP1 again, we use while all the data will be added into the LP1 again. Next, object obj equals to lp1.deq, and we create qtemp.eq obj laptop max min equals to laptop obj, and I have declared double min equals to max min dot get laptop price, double max equal to max min dot get laptop price. If laptop3 dot get laptop price less than min, it will display min equals to laptop3 dot get laptop price. It will display the lowest price. Else if laptop3 dot get laptop price more than max, it will return the max equal to laptop3 dot get laptop price. It will display the highest price, and it will store into the qtemp. Then it will display total quantity for all laptop, total price for all laptop, lowest price of the laptop price, highest price of the laptop price. Then to store in LP1 again, we use while all the data will be added into the LP1 again by using enqueue.obj. And then after finish the code 2 operation, the application will ask the user if user wants to continue. If code equals to 3, it will search the data. In the code 3, I have declared qtemp equals to new q, boolean found equal to false, string search 1, object obj find, laptop search found equal to new laptop, string input search, and the application will ask the user to enter the laptop code. If laptop4.get laptop code equal in no case search, means if laptop code is found in the laptop 4, it will display the laptop code details. If not found, it will display the code are not found in the list. Next, application will ask the user, do you want to search more? If yes, it will use the same process as the first one. If no, the application will ask the user, do you want to continue? Next, if code equals to 4, it will copy laptop detail from the queue which laptop price less than 5,000, and it will store into the stack. In the code 4, I have declared object obj b equal to new object, and I create a new stack laptop stack equal to new stack. If laptop5.get laptop price less than 5,000, it will store in laptop stack by using push. Next, again I create a new stack laptop stack 1 equal to new stack. While laptop stack is not empty, object display equal to laptop stack dot pop, and then it will be print into laptop stack 1 by using push method, and it will display the laptop stack 1 data. Next, if code equals to 5, it will delete laptop detail or data in the stack. In the code 5, I have declared string delete and stack laptop stack 1 equal to new stack. Application will ask the user, do you want to delete data in the stack? If user wants to delete, if delete dot equal in no case y, and if the laptop stack 1 is empty, it will print successfully deleted. Data in stack is empty. Else, if the data is not deleted, it will print unsuccessfully deleted. And the code equal to 6, it will convert infix expression to postfix expression. In the code 6, I have declared string output, string infix to postfix, p equal to new infix to postfix. Application will ask the user to enter infix expression, and output equals to p dot to postfix. Postfix is from the infix to postfix class, and it will display the output for postfit expression. Now we run the application to see the output. So this is output for my application. This is a menu. In the beginning of the application will ask the user to enter any code in menu to be performed. Let's say we enter code 1 to add the laptop data. And then the application will ask the user to enter number of laptop that user wants to add. We add 4. And user needs to key in the laptop detail. Now we have done key in the laptop details. The application will ask the user, do you want to continue? Yes. And now we want to view the laptop summary. We enter code 2 and it will display the laptop summary. In the laptop summary, we have a total quantity for all laptop, total price for all laptop, average for all laptop price, lowest price of the laptop price, highest price of the laptop price. Then application asks again, do you want to continue? Yes. Next, we want to search laptop details. We enter code 3 and we need to enter laptop code that we want to search. Let's say I want to search laptop code A001 and it will display a laptop code A001 details. The application will ask, do you want to search more? No. And do you want to continue? Yes. Next, we want to view the lowest price in the stack. We enter code 4 and it will display 2 laptop details that have a lowest price less than 5,000 in the stack list. This laptop detail is actually from queue and we store it to the stack. The application will ask again, do you want to continue? Yes. And now we want to delete the data in the stack. We enter code 5 and the application will ask, do you want to delete the data in stack? Yes. And it will display successfully deleted. Data in stack is in empty. Do you want to continue? Yes, because we want to check if the stack is empty or not. We enter code 4 again. And now in stack list is empty because just now we have delete the data. Next, do you want to continue? Yes. And lastly, we want to convert from the infeeds to postfit. We enter the code 6 and enter infeed expression. And this is a result for postfit expression for infeed expression that we just entered just now. That's all from me. Thank you.